Hey, what's up guys? Orange Ranger X here. Today we're back and we're playing Demolition Simulator. So yeah, let's get started. Basically in this game, what you do is you go around and explode everything in sight. Wait, what's this over here? Yeah, I've played this game before, but there's an update recently, so I thought, I guess I'll... Actually, I don't know if it was recently. But I'm just gonna play this game because I haven't done it since forever. And wow, already level 3. Anyways, let's just get started. Okay. So I can just zoom out a little bit. It's not like Viking Simulator where you can't zoom fully in because you for obvious reasons. Okay. Grenade! How much damage does this do? I should probably be running. Not too much. I decided to play this game because it's so fun. I like demolition. Like most boys. I think that's right. I'm not exactly sure. Just explode everything in my path. Whoa. Hide it. Stop it! Bam! Shoot the ground. Ooh, I wonder what would happen if I shot the bleachers. Bam! I missed. Wow, I barely missed too. Wow, it's not that. I need a better gun. I really need a better gun. No, I'm gonna upgrade some. Where's the upgrade? Oh, there it is. Shop. Shop used to be right next to sell. I guess they changed that in the update. Bombs. Backpacks. Good. Rockets. 150 for spy shooters. And the reload's only 5 seconds. Okay. No. Exit shop. There it is. Also, I used to play these games. I'm almost level 5. I can almost go to the next place. Oh, it's rebuilding. Okay. Yeah. So wow, I'm level 5 already. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Yeah. I'm just gonna sell. Just head on over. Time to demolition. Yeah, that sounded better in my head. Hey, look, it's a statue of me. I can't zoom out and show you. Yes, I can. It's a statue of me. I need to change my avatar. I'm gonna try to make this tower fall down. It's gonna look sick. Yeah! Oh god, that almost crushed me. That you have to admit though, that was sick. I'm gonna make the other half of this tower fall down. I should have gone in there while I still could. Hua! Hua! Bam! Wow, that was I love destroying this tower. Demolition! I'm probably gonna do most of this on camera because it's all really to show is demolition. But yeah, I'm basically just doing a playthrough of this game. I was just sitting watching some YouTube, Dan TVM. Just subscribe to his channel after you subscribe to him. The thought randomly came into my head. Destruction Simulator! I don't know why. I honestly don't know why, but it's a fun game. When did that zombie get there? What level do you have to be to get this place? I really wanted to destroy all this. Oh wait, there's these paths are... Nope. These paths... Nope. Rank 3 required. Locked. Rank 3. I'm level 6. rank 3. Since when is there ranks? Rank 2. Level 55 required. That could take a while. Explosions. I kind of want to go to that place though. I might work on that, and I'll tell you guys if I get that. Level 7, boy. Slowly making my way towards level 55. Explosions! And my backpack is full. So yeah, I'm basically gonna be playing this game for the rest of the episode. Explosions! Wow, this is a very good gun. Oh wait, I can upgrade my stuff. I could be upgrading my stuff right now. I'll do that later after my backpack is full. Wow, look at that. I'm gonna shoot this. Oh man, I went through it. Rah! Explosions! I'm gonna explode this truck. That worked very well. I'm gonna try to get up in here. Get on here. Get on here. Yeah. Explosions! Upgrade. Do. Bombs. Backpacks. Rockets. 750? Okay. A triple rocket. That's why am I going over here? I have to get this giant tower thing. You should know. It's a good advice for you if you want to play this game. When this area reloads, you should knock down this tower first. It's bam! Bam explosions. Wah! And this gun's great for knocking down towers. Explosions. And more explosions. And I'm gonna try this bomb. Run. Wah! Time to sell my stuff. Hopefully, by the end of this episode, we can get to level 10. Well, that was kind of easy. Yeah! It's not reloading any faster. Ooh, I have an idea. Very good idea. It'll explode this whole thing. I thought it would. Explosions! Demolition! It's great! We're almost to level 10 already. I'm gonna put a bomb right here. Run. I'm level 10! Let's go! It's the wrong way. Yeah, explosions. Go, 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 go. Actually, yeah, come here. Bam. I don't have enough for the backpack, do I? No, I don't. Which way am I going? This way. I'm going to the farmland. Let's go! Let's go. Wah. And with that being said, that'll wrap it up for today's episode. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.